Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Tammy. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, glad to see you. It's been a few weeks since I posted anything because I've just been so busy. Been really busy doing all kinds of stuff. But I have a haul today. I got some stuff last week, and then I got some stuff this past few days, and I'm just going to put it all together into this one video. But let's see. I'm going to start with, I went to AC Moore because they're all closing. You probably know. They're all closing down, and the one here's got stuff on sale, so I went in to see what was left, and I picked up a few things there. Let's see, I got this. I think it was down to about $2 or less. It says, give thanks and eat pie. So I got that to put out at Thanksgiving. I had been looking at it the whole time, but it had been pretty expensive. I don't know if the price is on it. No. But it had been more than I wanted to pay. And I'd watched it go down, and now it was down to, I think, $2 or less. So I got that. I got a bunch of hearts, wooden hearts to paint. See? They were like 60 cents. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'll paint them, and I'll probably sell some of them. Paint them and list them on Etsy. I'll paint over this. I won't even use that pattern. And what else did I get? Let's see. I got this one too. It was only about $1 for Christmas. It says joy. That'll look good in my house up in the mountains when we get moved. With the deer and stuff on it. I need to move this out of my way. Okay, let's see. Let me get this AC Moore bag over here. Oh. And let's see, I got these. How many of these do you got? Just because I think they're cute and I'm going to paint them. And I think they'd be cute sitting in a windowsill painted up. I think I got 4 of them. They were about 60 cents. They were about 60 cents too. Just a little wooden flower. They're just cute. And I thought, well, what the heck? And that would be my last chance to get them, so. And I bought a bunch of this stuff. Because they were really, oh, that's not the same thing. They were down to like 30 cents or something. So I went through and found everyone I liked. I think that's all this. Let's see. I got, and some of them I'm going to repaint them. I just want them for the shape. And I thought, well, for that price, it's worth getting to repaint. Gingerbread house shape. Red trucks. More gingerbread houses. Stars. Just different sizes and colors of stars, but I'm going to repaint them anyway. Little witches' cauldrons. I'll definitely repaint those. More red trucks. And little bears. So I got those. And I found 1 pack left of these. I glue these on little Christmas things, ornaments and things that I paint at Christmas. And it was down to about 30 cents. And let's see, what else did I get? I found these. They were 60 cents, I think. It didn't have a price. I had to carry it up front and they had to see. It says Christmas, Noel, December, snow, all those different things in there. So those will be good to use on Christmas things. I'll probably repaint those too. And I got, what else did I get? I got a rubber stamp to use in my clay. It's an owl. See, isn't it cute? It was down to like, 25 cents or something. I really hate that AC Moore is closing because that was my favorite craft store. I got this one too. It's a little whale. And I think everything else is jewelry making stuff that I got really cheap. Because it was like 70 and 80% off. So this had been like $3.50 or so. So whatever that would be off of that. It's goldstone chips. I got me some gunmetal head pins because I was out of those. I should have went back and got more of all the different colors just to have. And I got these stones here. I don't know what kind of stone they are, but and I got this. Oh, this is a big chunky stone thing. It says it's I thought it said what it was. Let's see. Contains small parts. It don't say what kind of stone it is, but it's pretty. See. And I got these. These were lava rock or something. It said. And I mean, hardly any of this was even over $1 a piece, if any of it. These are like, you know, turquoise colored beads. They're glass. I try not to use plastic beads if I can help it. And these are some kind of stone that's dyed to look like turquoise. And this one, I don't know if it says what it is or not. Let's see. I don't think it does. Just stone bead, but it's a pretty color. It's kind of a real pale blue or something. And I got these. I was going to get some more crosses because I sell a lot of the cross earrings, but I forgot, which is a bummer. And then I got me some gold stone, is that what that's called? Anyway, beads. And that's what I got at AC Moore. I think that's everything I got there. Alright, let's see, where else did I go? Let's see. Went to Dollar Tree, of course. And I found a good bit of stuff in there. I found these candles. I like that they're in these, on these black jars. The candle, it smells okay. This one smells kind of like men's perfume, men's cologne or something, River Rock. I was more interested in the jar so I could paint like farm on them or something. And I got the Mountain Trail. I like it okay, but they're not very strongly scented at all. But I liked the jars. I got this tomato rocket. I don't know what the heck it's supposed to do, but I'm going to find out. So it says you put it in there and it grows. I don't know what it does. Plant as shown. I don't know. It's just plant and it grows. So we'll see. I'll put it in a planter. All my plants have got to go in planters this year because I'm going to be moving them sometime on up to the mountains, so they have to be movable. So I've been buying a lot of planters. I couldn't show a lot of them because I've already put plants in them, but I got a few here I got at Dollar Tree. I did get, you know, I don't know if you saw the 3-section ones that they had. It was like, you know, here was a little section and here, and it was all in one that they had. I bought like 24 of those. But I've already planted stuff in a lot of them, so a lot of my herbs and things that I know they got to go with me. But I got this long one. I got 2 of this one. Because of course, you know, they didn't have very many of one color at any one store. And I got 2 of the beige colored one. Well, that ain't gonna stay there. Let's put everybody in here. I need those bags for packing stuff in anyway. And let's see, what else did I get? What else did I get at Dollar Tree? Right here, bag. And I got 4 of the green one. The wind is whipping like mad here today. It's been like a hurricane practically. Trying to sleep through a hurricane last night. Be glad to be away from this wind. We asked up at our place in the mountains, we asked the neighbors, was the wind bad up there? And they said, nah, it's rained a lot, but there ain't been hardly no wind. So I'll be glad to get away from this wind. What else did I get at Dollar Tree? I got some more of these. I don't know if I showed you in another one or I had bought a bunch of these. But I raise a lot of plants, so I go through a lot of these. So I got me 2 more packs of them. I got this just because I thought it was cool. I want to paint it. I don't know what I'll do with it, but I just got it because I wanted to paint it. I've been looking at it for a few weeks and thinking, I don't know what I'd do with it. Other than paint it, where would I put it? And then finally, it's, I looked at it one time too many, and it's like, okay, it's got to go home with me. And I got a rain gauge because at our place up in Mountain Rest, I had bought one at Ag Supply, a big nice rain gauge, and put it out. Well, when we went back up the last time, it was gone. I don't know where it went. I thought, who walks up and steals a rain gauge? I mean, really, who walks up and steals a rain gauge out of the yard? So either somebody stole it or a dog pulled it up to chew up or something. So I bought me I said, this time I'm just getting one that's $1. So if it gets gone, I'm not out much. So I got one of those. And let's see what else did I get. I got packs of matches because we're down on our last pack. I used to try to keep, like a prepper supply of these because I think you should. But I've been slack, mainly just so we didn't have so much to move. But I did need another pack. How about this? What I wanted to do, I wanted to paint it, spray paint it, and make it into a little tray to put like bottles of soap or something like that in, or your lotion and stuff in the bathroom. But after I got it home, my husband had a little dresser box thing somebody had given him, and it fell apart. But he's still got the drawer to it, and he don't want it anymore. And I was looking at it, I thought it would work even better and look even nicer. So I may paint it instead and just use this in my drawers. I don't know which one I'll do, but one of them I'm going to make into a thing in the bathroom. I'm going to paint it and maybe write like, bless our farm, something like that on it, or bless our homestead, something. And to keep it like, your soap or lotions or bottles or something in, or maybe even some rolled up wash rags, something. Just to look nice in the bathroom. And that's all I think no, that's not all I got at Dollar Tree. I got this. I don't know why I thought that was all. I'm losing my mind. Isn't that cute? It's a little camper. It says welcome. These are going up to my camper up there. And here's his little buddy, a red truck. That is so cute. They only had 2 left of this. And one had a big scratch down the side. So I got lucky because all the Dollar Trees I've been to down here, this is the first one that's had any of these. But I think they're going to be cute together, see? Is that not cute together? So I got that. And I got seeds. I got a lot of seeds. I'm probably going to do them in a separate haul. I'm going to do my gardening haul separate, so if anybody doesn't really want to watch seeds, they don't have to. But I went to some thrift stores. I went to 2 in Calabash, and then I went to Goodwill. And let's see, in Calabash, I got this. Searched everywhere for this book. Was about to break down and buy it on Amazon, but it was so expensive. And they had it. It was 50 cents. Got this one. It was 50 cents. Comfort food. It's a cool little book. I got, what else did I get? Let's see. Let's see. I got that in a different one. What do I want to do? Oh, I got this one. It's about making smoothies. I have been trying to eat better and go more not vegan, no, I can't do vegan, but more vegetarian, more plant-based. And so I used to make smoothies all the time years ago, but all my smoothies always came out really bad. They weren't very good at all. So I said, I need a smoothie cookbook. Always had one I started to buy, and I didn't buy it, and then I was mad because I didn't buy it, but then I found this one. So I got that for like, 75 cents. What else did I buy? Let's see, I bought 4 books at the one store. Which one did I buy? I don't even remember what I bought where. Oh, I got this one. Grow Younger, Live Longer. I don't know about the younger part, but living longer is good. It was 75 cents. No, this one was 75 cents, and I think I said 75 cents for that one. And then I went another one in Calabash, and she was kind of expensive. She had a sign up, oh, her books were on sale. And another sign said the books were $2 for hardbacks, $1 for paperbacks. But then in tiny writing it said, unless marked otherwise. Well, almost every book in the store was marked otherwise. So I put this one book down, and then I went back and got it because I decided I really wanted it, even though she wanted $5 for it. And I didn't like it, but it's not an easy to come by book. I looked on Amazon, they're like $15, so I thought, well, then I'll give $5 for it. Food storage for self-sufficiency. I love my food storage books. I ordered one the other day. It was Marlene's Food Storage, I think, off of Amazon. Then I went in Goodwill, and I found this big, ginormous book. This is a big book. It's got everything you want to know in it, pretty much. Unfortunately, somebody had drew in the front of it. My grandson was with me. He's like, it's got marking in it. I said, well, as long as it's only on the front page. And he sat and went through every book I bought, making sure there was no writing in them. So, I like this book. I like this. This is nice. I hope it don't fall. It's going to fall. We'll put it right here. And I got this one just because it looks interesting. Maybe I'll learn something. Doubt that I'll become a millionaire, but and I got it at Goodwill, so it wasn't cheap. And I got this. I love antique vintage cookbooks. This one's from sometime 1947. Piece of styrofoam on the front. So it's pretty cool. I love old cookbooks. Got an addiction to those things. And the big gardening book had all this stuck inside of it. A bunch of gardening stuff in it. Some of this is weirdo stuff. I don't know what it is. Like lavender stuff. Some of them kind of weird, but the lavender one was probably okay. That was just stuck inside of it. And I got this book. Jerry Baker's Supermarket Super Gardens. Got a lot of little like tidbits of things, like helpful hints type things. How to remove rust from chrome. White vinegar applied straight from a handheld sprayer. It's for weeds. Just little things like that. So that's pretty cool. And that's what I got there. So let's see. That wasn't a very big haul, but I mean, I also went to Ollie's and I got a cookbook. It was the Casserole Queens Make a Meal. I got that. I think it was like $2, $2.99, something like that. And it wasn't a big haul. There wasn't a whole lot to be had. I mean, down here you just don't find much usually, but and the Dollar Trees, they've been wiped slap out. I mean, of everything. All their Valentine's stuff was gone about as soon as it hit the shelves. And I didn't buy any of the St. Patrick's Day stuff because I don't really do much for St. Patrick's Day. If I'm lucky, I put on a green shirt. I am part Irish, but I don't really do anything for it. So I didn't buy any of that. So, there it is. It's a small haul, but it was something. And I have to get back to planting and getting my seeds started. So, till next time, please like and subscribe. And maybe if you're somewhere in the South, this wind won't blow you away. And I will see you next time. Bye.